I love the unfolding. Like I've written that down a lot lately, just in a lot of aspects of my life. I love turning up and just fully being like, today I'm going to trust myself in this class. I'm going to trust.
Yeah, and maybe it'll be a terrible class.
Yeah.
And then I'll learn so much experience. And also like laughing if possible, like if things aren't like, tragic, right? Like if we're talking about a presentation of a class or making a video and falling off the Cadillac or whatever. And then things aren't tragic and no one really got harmed, then there's so much room for laughter in those moments. Being perfect isn't very funny.
Or fun.
Or fun, right? So perfection doesn't usually lead to a lot of humor. And the humor is in the small moments of humiliation, and humor comes out of anger, and humor comes out of sort of self-preservation. And the funniest people, like if you look at comedians are some of the angriest people on the planet. They're not clowns, they're angry about something, but they found a way to deal with their anger by making it relatable and funny, which is a type of therapy. But it's like talking to someone who takes themselves very seriously usually ends up being it's hard to maintain that relationship,
Yeah, it becomes
it's not, it's easier to talk to someone who maybe like sees themselves as just like regular.
Yeah. Yeah, no matter what they're doing or no matter what like the circumstance or whether something seems, I totally get it.
Not saving lives. We're just doing our best.
It's just Pilates.
It's just Pilates for some people. For some other people, it's life-saving. I'm sure there's like all the shades of everything exists, right?
Yeah.
But you gotta like sort of have the moments where like it's not so precious also.
Yeah, precious is a good way of putting it.
Yeah.
So Anula, I just wanted to backtrack